Okay, man, what's up? We got some early heat. Whoa, some early heat. Raise y'all up a little bit. We got a little mixed haul here. I got 3 different sneaker pickups, I believe. I would assume this is 3 different boxes. So there might be more than one in here, but I just kind of want to show you guys some of my newest pickups. One of them, maybe 2 of them being a little bit early. I don't know why I said it like that. That was weird. I'm sorry. What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing? Just had my 27th birthday, bro. Actually crazy, but it was fire. Got some golf clubs. Been trying to do like some more hobbies, bro. I feel like, you know, with COVID and all that, we really lost a whole year of our lives. Like, it's kind of insane to think about. And yeah, man, just been taking up some new hobbies. Been playing some tennis. Been trying to learn golf. Low-key, I think I'm gonna take some lessons because I'm very terrible and I'd like to get like some proper form down. Other than that, I went horseback riding. That was fire too. You guys can check out the vlog right here when it's available. Our first pair we have, shout out to the homie Retro Grails for holding me down as usual. We have the Air Jordan 6. I believe this is the Bordeaux. I've been actually waiting to see these in hand. They did release September, I think it was like 4th, I believe. Another shoe that just straight up sold out. Been waiting to see these in hand, man. The quality on these is just premium, man. I love the nubuck suede throughout the entire sneaker. It looks really good. So I'm gonna give you guys a full review of that, but pickup number 1 and just, you know, perfect for the fall time. I cannot wait, man. Currently got a lot of like my Reverence, the brand that I'm working on in production, and the pants, the nylon metal pants that I made are gonna go stupid with these. 6s are always cool. The only other pair that I like actually decided to keep was I got the infrareds and the Carmines. Those are the only 2 pairs that I decided to keep. Now the next pair we got here. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, this is the Jordan 5 Moonlight in Oreo, bro. Okay, another 5 I've been waiting to see in person. This reminds me so much, man. If you guys have been collecting for a minute, back in like 2012, 2013, they released the Fear pack, and they had the Fear Jordan 4s, which I had. Oh man, I wish I never sold them, but they were size 13. And this just somewhat kind of reminds me of them. During the fall, I just really like feeling the 5s. You guys know I just got in those Shatter Backboard 5s or Orange Blaze, whatever you just want to call them. So here they are. Now, I will say these are nothing too crazy. This is definitely a sneaker that I can see like why people would pass on it, because $190, nothing insane, a very simple colorway, but also a very versatile sneaker. You know, I could have saw myself in middle school or even high school wearing these a lot, even as an adult. Definitely one of those shoes, even both of these, something that you just wanna hit with some water protectant, because typically any splatter gets on this, it's pretty hard to get out unless you have like a nubuck brush, or there's even like an eraser for nubuck. And then last but not least, I'm assuming, is the early Jordan. We have the Jordan 14. Now this is the winterized. Check the box. What I'm liking about this is these are all different boxes. I'm digging that. So I've really been waiting to get these in hand. There's not very many Jordan 14 reviews on this channel, but this was just one pair that was just dirty, bro. Like, look at how dope these are. Now today, I would say one of my favorite Jordan 14s is easily the Ferrari, and I'm talking both colorways. The color blocking on this sneaker is so dope. You have kind of like this nubuck suede on the toe box. Looks like it actually, you know, it's going throughout the entire sneaker. And what they're saying about these is they're actually waterproof, water resistant. Obviously this being the winterized look of everything. Typically with suede, when it gets wet, trash. Terrible. But since they made these perfectly for fall and winter, this is 114 that I'm going to keep, because man, I love all the color blocking from the brown. You got this black carbon fiber, your white midsole, and to top it off, they hit you with the red laces. It's almost like an infrared, but it's still butter. You guys can kind of see like infrared versus like the true red that we have. So you kind of get a little bit of everything. Out of all 3 of these, this for sure is the one sneaker that I've been wanting. These 3 right here, which one are you going with? Are you picking the 14s? You going with the 6s? Or you going with the 5s? Let me know down below. And also guys, stay tuned. Make sure you turn those notifications on, because me and Retro are teaming up to do a few giveaways. You guys some sneakers early, so that's gonna be really dope. Typically when we do giveaways, you know, you get it around retail, well, I shouldn't say around retail, you get it around the release day, and after, we're gonna try to get them to you early. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram. And again, let me know which one you guys would pick. But this is your boy Sneaker Life. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Run it.